Oh, hey, for all 5 of you that are still subscribed and watching, I appreciate your loyalty. This is a channel update, just to let everybody know that I'm still around. I still plan on making videos. Life has just gotten a little too busy. So, yeah, I took a new job about 6 months ago, and it's very time taxing. It's taking up all of my free time. I can't do a whole lot of woodworking at the moment. I'm severely depressed and regretting every minute of it. So, I am planning to come back. I've got a plan. I keep using that word, but I've got a plan to make that happen and get back to this. I got to move for a few months, so it might be a couple more months before my next video, but I will return. I promise you that. And I will get better. I know my videos are pretty low quality. I'll be the first to admit that, but I guess it's part of my charm. Who knows? But yeah, I would love to get better at this, make cooler, funner, better projects, and share those with you guys. I do appreciate anybody sticking around, and I appreciate all the support.